So yeah, in the last video we have discussed about stacks. We have seen the real world scenarios in the last video. We implemented stacks without using any standard template library, which is in short known as STL. Today we will create or do stack implementation using STL. You can say STL, or we will include stack as a container adapter. Let's make in file STL stack.cpp. Now let's say first include our input output library. Then let's import our stack. Then let's define a namespace such that it will not create any problem. Then let's initialize our stack. Stack. Its data type would be an integer. Yes. Now first let's push some elements. Let's say s dot push 10. Let's copy paste it such that we don't have to write it again and again. Let's push 30. Let's push 10, 20. Now let's display one of its element to see. Let's just display the top element out. Top element, which is what? Top element would be its s dot top. We have the top method in the stack. Now let's create an inline. Let's pop an element. Let's say s dot pop. It pops out the topmost element from the stack because it follows the LIFO principle, last in first out. So who the element who comes at the last will get exit at first. Let's display it. Let's count. You can see the top element will get changed. Let's say s dot top in line. So suppose 30 is pushed 30 is popped out because we did s dot pop. Now the top is 20, so therefore top element is 20. Now let's check the size here. How to check the size? We have a method. Let's say size. We have a method known as s dot, or you can stack dot size. It will give us the size of the stack. Now we have to check if this is empty or not. Empty. We have a function s dot is empty. We have a function s dot is empty. It returns a boolean, I guess. It returns, oh sorry, it's only empty. Yeah, I guess it's empty. Yeah, if it is empty, we have to display that stack is empty, or else we have to display stack is not empty. Stack is not empty. Let's run this. So how to run this? Let's say G++, select the file. It's named stl stacks.cpp. We need to name it stl stack, and then after that run that stl stack. We missed a semicolon here. Let's do that. See, we inputted the last element, which is 30, so it becomes the topmost element of the stack because of LIFO order. And after we popped out, the 30 gets popped out from the stack and the top element becomes 20. So top element is 20. Then we have inputted only 3 elements. After 30 is popped out, the size of the stack is 2, so it displays size is 2 and says stack is not empty because empty returns false here, so it becomes a falsy value.